Alright, hello everybody, welcome back to another video. It's not GTA. Right? It's funny. Funny how that works. Today we're going to be looking at something a little bit different. Let's see if I can grab it here. As you see on the screen, installing the Windows OS here. It's because what we're doing is a little bit different. Alright. There we go. So what we're doing today is we're installing the Windows 10 technical preview. Yeah. Windows 10. I already have it downloaded because I was smart and, you know, I'm totally that way. So this is actually a beta build, as you can tell. It is the 9841 build. I think there's a more, the build is up or has been updated. I don't know. Install now. So pretty damn simple install screen. It looks the same as all of your other typical Windows installations, as usual. So, alright, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to let this install quickly and we'll be back, because I don't think you guys want to see me go through this. Well, maybe you do. Alright, we'll be back after this is done installing. Be right back. Alright guys, we're just getting back into it here. After rebooted. We'll let the thing reboot so that we can actually get the rest of the install done here. Alright, we'll let this load up here. Take just a minute. Alrighty. As it loads up, hopefully. Hopefully. It's thinking about it. It's thinking about loading. We just don't know if it's going to load or not. Hopefully it loads up here. Hopefully, maybe. We don't know. I am running VM, so it might be a little slow, just because it's a VM and I can't guarantee anything. There goes. Getting your devices ready for you, sir. So it's getting devices ready. Awesome. Pretty standard Windows 8 sort of setup, Windows 8 sort of feel. But it's not Windows 8. Haha. So hopefully, getting devices ready. 2%. Almost done. So I've seen a lot of people out there doing videos on the Windows 10 tech preview. And I thought, hey, I'd give it a shot and record something, see what you guys thought. So what I might do is I'll probably do a couple of different recordings, different things. I'm probably going to do a review of the server version of Windows 10, the Windows 10 server, and probably the Enterprise. The Enterprise, unfortunately, though, is pretty much the same. There's not much difference other than some of the applications you get and stuff like that. I do know for a fact it is the version that I'm running, I believe. I don't know if it's this version or a different version, is fairly buggy. There's a couple of versions where they've been trying to get updates out as quick as can be, but do remember, it is a tech preview for a reason. A good reason. Yeah. The reason behind that is so that you don't go out and get it installed on your machine and then it crashes and then you blame Windows or Microsoft for your computer crashing and you want them to pay for your damages. They don't do that. You should know better. Your computer broke. Not my problem, not their problem. So Alright, so I think I'm going to pause the video again really quickly, let this thing finish getting devices ready, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, we are back! Alright, so for this, we are not going to do the customization one, we're just going to do the express settings just because I really don't care about customizing it too much, and it's pretty much the same as Windows 8. If you've installed Windows 8 or Windows 7, it's pretty damn similar. Windows 8, though, is more similar to this. So, a couple of new things that they're bringing back and that they're doing different on the Windows 10. So, there's been a whole bunch of new talk about what's going to be out there, what's going to be cooler, what's going to be newer, and a whole bunch of really cool things. So, first we get this, sign into your Microsoft account. You can sign in without a Microsoft account. All you do, create a new account. We will be using the Microsoft account a little bit later, but not right now, just because. And then, so this is this. The newer version of the build has a little bit different setup. I might do a video once I get that downloaded. I don't know, but there is one here that says sign in without a Microsoft account. Go ahead and do that. CiGaming. Actually, we should probably change that to lowercase CiGaming. Wow, I'm failing at spelling my own name. Gaming. Password. No password. No. Nothing. There we go. Alright, finish. Let that finish doing its stuff here. So I grab my list. So a couple of new things that you guys will notice when we first start up is how it's going to look. So Windows 10 is supposedly going to have this whole new thing where everything can be gotten off of the App Store. So, if you don't have a Microsoft account, it doesn't install certain things. Pretty cool. Don't really care if it installs it or not. You will notice changes. Lots of changes. Biggest change that you will notice, there is no more start screen. For all of those out there that hate the Windows 8.1 or the Windows 8 start screen, good for you. It doesn't have it anymore. They've gotten rid of that. You're getting your start menu back. Yeah. But there's some really cool features to the start menu that you guys will actually like. Let's see. What else is that? So a couple of other big things that are going to be happening or have changed in the Windows 10 environment. So originally they were thinking it was going to be Windows 9. Everybody thought, oh, we'll call it Windows 9. They didn't call it Windows 9 for many reasons. I don't really know exactly the specific reason, but there's reasons. So they decided to go Windows 10. Well, Windows 10 is taking Windows 7 and Windows 8 and 8.1 and basically meshing them together. So you're still going to have the Metro-y style, Metro feel of Windows 8 and Windows 8.1, but you're also gaining a lot of the Windows 7 features. So a big thing is, instead of having a full screen of the windowed Metro apps, it's going to be windowed. You're not going to have the full screen of apps. So here's the tech preview. First of all, let's go and install VMware Tools. I believe this is still a thing. So I want a bigger screen. Let that do its thing here. Cool. Choose what happens. Let's run setup. Alright. So yes, this is actually an older version or an older build right now. I'm probably going to update it later this week, sometime, whenever I get to it, and try to get you guys a newer version or a newer release of the video just so that you guys can see it. Typical, yes, install. There we go. We'll have to restart after this. But, so some of the new things that they have added into Windows 10, or the new version of Windows 10 Tech Preview and all that stuff, is that they've added a thing called Cortana. Cortana now is supposed to be a clever digital assistant on the Windows 8 phone, but they're putting it on PC, so you're going to be able to say, Cortana, look up blah, or do this, and essentially your computer will do that. Being that I don't believe this preview or this build has it, we'll look and see. I may not be able to show you right now. I'll show you guys in a later video when I get the updates for it. Again, tech preview, updates like every bloody day. Installing video driver. There we go. Full screen. Yeah, much better. That's much better. So, alright, let this finish. Alright, finish. There we go. Yes, restart. We'll restart the PC. Alright guys, we'll be right back after this is done restarting. Alright guys, we're back. And we're booting into our desktop here again. And we'll take a look at some of the cool new features in this build of Windows 10. Or the Windows Tech Preview. So, a lot of you guys probably went and watched the live stream seminar, webinar thing they did. Alright, sorry about that, guys. I had a person come into my room here. So, okay. We're back in the Windows Tech Preview here. So, down here we have the search button. Magical search function here. We can search for things. I don't remember if this is like the Windows or like the new build. I don't know. I actually have never played with this. Okay, I don't think that's... No. Oh, there it goes. Is Cortana installed, though? Okay, let's see here. I broke it. This is why, guys, you don't usually do things all at once. We don't know. We don't know. We just don't know. What is this doing? What is your problem? You have enough RAM, don't you? Oh, you have plenty. What are you complaining about? More problems as always. Yeah, let's close that. There. Okay, so this is one of the Metro apps that you guys used to see, right? So we're gonna close that. Oh my god. I broke it. I officially have broken it. That's awesome. Okay, we're just gonna go end the task there. Okay. Didn't I end it? There. Okay. So there we go. Let's try that again. So I mean, it's kind of buggy. So yes, I don't have the newest version of the preview. I will try to get that up for you guys, or I will try to get an episode of that recorded for you guys in the next day or so after this goes up. So this is the 98041 build, but like you guys saw, there is no start menu. This is your start menu. Okay, this is where it is. You can get rid of these things just by right-clicking and removing them. I'm not going to mess with that right now just because I really don't want to mess with it, and I haven't messed with it that much. So, yeah. But this is the Windows 10 build of 9841 build. Pretty nice. They did a lot of updates to it already. So, I don't know if we have... Let's see if we can get into the start, or this. So you can tell the search function is very, very buggy. Windows updates. Okay, so we're not going to do it that way. Windows updates. Wow. I'm telling you guys, this is what happens with your computers. It all slows down. Oh, I wanted Windows updates. Okay, Windows update. Let's go see if there's any. Let's see if we can download any updates here. What? Check for updates. There. Wahaha. I don't know if this will give me. Okay, 10 important updates. Oh, hey, wow, okay. Okay, we'll install all those updates here. So, I'm thinking I'm probably gonna pause the recording for you guys so you don't have to watch this, and, yeah, we'll be back in a minute when this is done with the updates. We'll be right back, guys. Alright, guys, we're back. One of the updates failed, which is actually a very interesting thing. I didn't think it would, but it's nothing important. It's just a Windows Defender thing. So, here's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna leave this episode as it is. We're gonna make this a parted episode, so this is the first part. You guys see an older version of the build. I'm gonna get the newer version, and I will have that recorded for you guys. So, again, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna just try to get this updated to the newest build so that you guys have new stuff and everything is updated. So I will catch you guys in the next video when I get the newest build downloaded, updated, and ready. So, catch you guys later.